Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my second lesson about the scatter graphs and line of best fit. What is the line of best fit? First of all, it's important to understand the method and the meaning of line of best fit. A line of best fit is a straight line drawn through the maximum number of points on the scatter plot, balancing about an equal number of points above and below the line. So that means the line of best fit is the straight line that is drawn through the maximum number of points of the scatter plot in such a way that it is balancing the equal number of points above and below the line, and it passes through the center of those all points. A line of best fit is used to represent the correlation of the data. It gives us the clear outline of the relationship between two variables. It gives us a tool to make prediction about the future data point. It helps us a lot to have the clear ruler and sharp pencil to draw the line of best fit. Now let's move to one example and let's try to understand that how to draw the line of best fit. The question says that following table shows the marks scored by 10 people in history and geography exam. Draw the line of best fit. The marks for the history are 8, 2, 11, 6, 5, 4, 12, 9, 6 and 1. And for the geography are 3, 10, 3, 6, 8, 12, 1, 4, 9 and 14. First of all, what we have to do, we have to find the mean marks for history and mean marks for geography, and we know the formula for the mean for ungrouped data is x bar equals to summation of x upon number of observations. And now what we have to do, we have to add up these values carefully. 8 plus 2 plus 11 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 12 plus 9 plus 6 plus 1, and the total is 64. Okay, let me first recheck the total and then I will confirm that. Okay, 8 and 2 is 10, 10 plus 10 is 20, 21 plus 6, 21 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 9 plus 6 plus 1, this is 64. And how many observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 64 divided by 10, 64. So mean for history is 64 upon number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 divided by 10, and which is equal to 6.4. And for geography, let me add up all the values. 3 plus 10 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 12 plus 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 14. This is 70, and let me confirm this first and then I will be making the calculation perfect. Okay, 10 plus 3 is 13, 13 plus 9 plus 8 plus 12 plus 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 14, and this gives me 70. And when we divide 70 by 10 for geography, the mean is 70 by 10, which is equal to 7. Okay, now the mean point is 6.4 and 7. Okay, what is the use of this mean point? I'll tell you later. Okay, start plotting the points carefully. It's important to understand the scale first, that on x-axis we are having the scale of 1 centimeter equals to 2 units. So it means every fifth block will be representing 1, and same for y-axis. 1 centimeter equals to 2 units. So for 5 blocks it will be 1. So first point that I have to plot is 8 with 3. So I have to reach at 8. and then 3. Okay, let me mark a point here, 8 with 3. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me make this point with pen so that my students can see this. This is 8 with 3, and let me write down the point as well. 8 with 3, 8 with 3, then 2 with 10, 2 with 10. Okay, 2 and 10. Mark the point, mark the point. Okay, and 2 with 10, and write down the order pairs as well. 11 with 3, 11 with 3, this is 11 and this is 3, 11 with 3, and then 6 with 6, 6 with 6, 6 with 6, and then 5 with 8, 5 with 8, 5 with 8, point will be coming at this place. 5 with 8, 4 with 12, 4 with 12, 12 with 1, 12 with 1. Okay, 12 with 1, yes. Okay, and then 9 with 4, 9 with 4. Okay, let me mark the point here. 9 with 4, then 6 with 9, 6 with 9. Okay, 8, and 6 with 9. This will be the place for 6 with 9, 6 with 9. 1 with 14, 1 with 14, 1 with 14. Now we have plotted all of the points in form of the order pairs. 1 with 14. Now this is the scatter plot, and then we have to mark the mean point as well, that is 6.4. Now look, that 5 blocks are representing 1, 5 blocks are representing 1. So if 5 blocks are representing 1 block will be equal to 1 by 5, which is equal to 0.2, 0.2. So for 6.4 I will be needing after 6 2 small blocks. So 6.4 with 7, 6.4 with 7. Okay, let me keep the ruler here. 6.4 with 7, 7 will be the 5th block after 7 will be the 5th block after 6. Okay, this is the position of 6, and 1 2 3, and this is the 5th block. Okay, let me move carefully. Yes, this will be the place for the mean point, for the mean point. Now after plotting the scatter plot and after marking the mean, we know that the line of best width is the line which has to balance the points, and it has to leave equal number of points above and below the line. So what we have to do is, I have to keep the transparent ruler, and my line of best width has to pass through the mean point, and secondly it has to leave at least equal number of points above and below the line. So if I'm drawing, first let me draw the rough line. Okay, if I'm drawing the line from this place, okay, and I'm observing that I have 1 2 3 points below the line, and this point is almost on the line. 1 2 3 4 and 5 points above the line. This point is on the line, this point is on the line. Okay, so let me check. I should have at least equal number of points above and below the line. So one point which is above the line is this one, and the second point is this, and third and fourth, and almost equal number of points above and below the line. So before making the perfect line, what you have to do, you have to keep the ruler and you have to see on both sides of the line. That line must pass through the mean point and some of the points in such a way that the points above and below the line are equal, and in this way you'll be getting your line of best fit. And now what students we can do is that we can make this line perfect. Okay, let me use my perfect pen so that my students can see this carefully. I hope you are clear that how to draw the line of best fit. For the drawing of line of best fit, first of all you have to find the mean for the information which is given for x-axis and y-axis. Then you have to plot the scatter plot, mark the mean point, and then you have to use the transparent ruler in such a way and draw the line so that that line should leave at least equal number of points above and below the line. I hope you are clear about how to draw the scatter plot and what is the line of best fit and how to draw the line of best fit. I hope you will be watching and understanding this lesson carefully. For better understanding of next lesson, please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.